Arizona Charlie's here at Decatur. Let's go and do a walking tour and check out what's new and current here at Arizona Charlie's Decatur, Las Vegas. So this is the main entrance. It's facing Decatur. So as you enter, there are table games already, and then there is a bar on the left. Dunkin' Donuts. And then this is their sports book. A lot of slots here. They have restrooms. Okay, and there's a bar and live band here. So they have a bar and live band. So this is called the Cover All Lounge. Here. So this is their cashier. They have table games. And then this is the hotel registration. They have the sourdough cafe. Uh, so they already have the St. Patrick's Day special. And then they have a bar here. And then they have the River Rock Pizza and Pasta. This is a lot of slots. And then this is their gift shop. And these are all slot machines. So this is the Klondike Tower. This is their hotel elevators. So this is the exit. Exit. And so this is their spin to win, and then they have the banquet and bingo banquet room. I think this is their keno. So so let's go to the bingo and banquet room. So this is going up. Oh, bingo and restrooms. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So they have a no smoking gambling area. And let's just go here. So there is a place here at Arizona Charlie's Decatur, wherein they have no smoking slots. Okay, and it looks like they have like a counter here, but this is the bingo area right here. Bingo, to play bingo. Yeah, so this is the bingo here at Arizona Charlie's Decatur. And they have a dealer school. Okay. And I'm back at the River Rock Pizza and Pasta. All right. So this is Arizona Charlie's at Decatur. So this is all that they have here. Let's go around here. So they have the Pennikino, the True Rewards, registration. So that is the Elbow Creek Bar. And so automatic door. So that is Arizona Charlie's here at Decatur, Las Vegas walking tour. So if you like this video and find value watching it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Watch the video next, and I'll see you on the next video.